We started off learning about health centres and architects and what they all do. And then we decided what we wanted if we would have a health centre, but we didn't know we'd be doing any of this.
We had to get into groups of 3s and 1-4. And then we had to choose our company name and design a logo. Our logo turned out to be this. And our name was ACJ Health Consultancy.
We're RLRS Designs and we came up with our health centre called the Venue of Health.
Created a survey and to take to our parents to see what they wanted to be in the health centre.
We had to decide just random ideas, what the basics of the health centre, what's going to be inside it. And in there, it's a A3 or A2, and we came up with loads and loads of ideas, and then we had to shorten it down to numerous ideas.
We had to put loads of ideas on a brainstorm, and we had to then make a piece of paper with definite maybes and definitely no's, and that's how we narrowed our ideas down.
Measured rooms and put them on a piece of paper, and then we cut them out and arranged them. And we made some floor plans, like that one. But this wasn't our first one, this was one that we did a lot after. And we arranged them and did them on the computer.
And then we did we made leaflets about keeping healthy and about our health centre, and we put some gift vouchers which you could give to people who took the leaflets when they first came. And we made some about not smoking, and we did advertisements about how you could use public transport to go to the health centre, or you could just run or go on your bike or something.
We also made a menu for our cafe, and it's got all healthy stuff in it, like mashed potato, pasta. We've got some drinks, which is milk and water, and a few more. And we've got sides and desserts as well.
It's actually doing something that's different and signing things.
Well, we were with people that we usually would pick who we're with, and we're always with our friends, but sometimes this time we were with people we didn't always would choose to work with. But we all made new friends after that, I suppose, and because we all got along and we didn't think we would do. So I think that's the best thing.
It was good because we didn't have to be told what we were going to do. It was all our own ideas, and there was very little restrictions on the kind of things you could put in it. We had unlimited money to spend on it, and we could have any amount of space we liked, or we could put it wherever we want.